Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a moon dreamcatcher. Let's get started. The materials you'll need for this project include 0.5mm 3-ply twisted cotton string, a gold ring minus 14 inches, and a crystal. I bought mine in a package of crystals at Michael's. I wrapped the gold ring in rope. You can choose to do this as well or leave as is. Cut about 15 feet or 4.5 meters of rope to create your moon. I want the moon to cover just over half of the ring, so I start to create the moon to the right of the center of the ring. Begin by tying a double knot to attach your rope. The end of the rope that you're not working with, just leave that for now. I will show you how to tuck that in later. Bring your string over top of the ring, and then underneath and back through the loop. Make sure each loop is the same size. My loops are about 3¼ inches wide. Continue this process until you make it a bit more than halfway around the ring. I've sped this section up a bit. If you would like to view it in real time, please click Settings, Speed 0.25 at the bottom right of the screen. If you were interested in creating a regular dreamcatcher, you would continue this process around your ring until you reach the middle. Since we are creating a moon, we will move back and forth along the section we just created. We need to secure the rope in place, so before we move back along this section, we will create a lark's head knot. We've already made the first half of the lark's head knot, now we just need to make the second half. To do so, bring the string behind your ring and then back over and through the loop. We will now make our way back across. Remember, bring your string over top and then through the loop. I find to keep the rope tight and centered, it helps to hold where you created your last loop so that you can pull the next loop tight without having to move the previous loop. Create another lark's head knot and begin to work your way back across the moon. Create another lark's head knot. Repeat this process until you've created a moon of your desired size. Create another lark's head knot. Include the end from where you originally attached your rope in the lark's head knot. Create another lark's head knot. I'm finished my moon, so now I will cut off the extra rope, then I will show you how to attach the crystal and tuck in the ends. I purchased these crystals at Michael's. See the description for details. They already have a hole in them, so it is really easy to thread your rope through the hole to attach your crystal to your wall hanging. This is a really handy tool that I also purchased at Michael's, which helps to thread the string through the crystal. Tie a double knot with the string and then tuck the knot into the middle of the crystal. Cut off the ends and then tuck that extra little bit into the crystal. Before we attach the crystal, we will tuck in and cut off the ends of the string at the top and bottom of the moon. The end at the top has already been tucked into our lark's head knot, so it is secure and can be cut off. For the other end, flip your work over and tuck the end of the string underneath the lark's head knots, and then cut whatever is left over. Attach the crystal using a lark's head knot. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.